So I have problem to delete this file. So it keeps give me a message, item not found. So the way to do it is go to type here to search, or if you already open your command prompt, this is the file that you want to open. So otherwise you just type cd command prompt up. So from here type cd /d and then go to the file that you wanted to delete. For instance, I want to delete that. So open and then click properties, copy the location and then close and then copy and paste it. Then from there it changed the location where you want it. So type dir/x and then enter. This is actually to find, so there is another extra file's name that you have to copy to delete it. From there type rmdir/q/s, so rmdir/q/s, and then copy the file that you wanted to delete. So this is the file that I wanted to delete. So I just copy this word, this file name, copy, and then paste it next to it. And then actually it's gone. So if you check, it's not here anymore because I have this another file that I want to delete as well in the same location. So I just copy that, Control C. Okay, start from the beginning. DC, then I copy paste that, copy paste the location, enter dir/x to see the file name of the file that I want to delete. So this is the only one I want to delete. And I copy it and then go here, rmdir/q/s, and then paste the file. And look at this file, it's going to disappear at the same time when I press enter. Yes, that's the magic. I hope it helps. And actually this video for my own reminder.